Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So if you are having any kind of issue with your PlayStation 5 or you're going to be reselling it, you may want to go ahead and hard reset it. So I have my PlayStation 5 turned on, indicated by the blue light over here. Or if it is in rest mode, turn on your PlayStation 5 real quick. We want to completely 100% turn it off. So it can't be in rest mode to go ahead and launch it in the safe mode menu. So with it turned on, I can go ahead and locate the power button over here and hold this down. I'll hear one beep initially, and then about 3 seconds later I will hear another beep, and the light will begin to flash over here, indicating it is powering off. So when it powers off, we can launch it into the safe mode menu. While that is shutting off though, I'm going to plug in a cable to the front USB slot, and we will need to plug in our controller directly to our PS5 so we can operate the safe mode menu. So let's plug this in here. Now let's locate the power button over here, and we want to hold this down. So we will hear one beep initially, and then about 5 to 10 seconds later we will hear another beep. So I heard that second beep. I'm going to go ahead and let go. My controller is charging. I can see the light and it's connected. Now press the PlayStation button in the middle, and it's going to change to teal now. And we can use the D-pad now to operate the safe mode menu. Now under the safe mode menu, let's go on down to option number 6, reset PlayStation 5. And it says if you reset your PS5, all users and all data will be deleted from your PlayStation 5. So you will have to go ahead and put your account back on the PlayStation 5, download every game, etc. It'll be just like your PlayStation 5 is new. So then go over to yes, and it will continue the process for you. Now if I back out of here and go to option number 7, it's reset PlayStation 5, but you're also reinstalling the system software at the same time. Now if I select this, it does say you need to go to PlayStation.com and get the latest software version right here. And then you need to go ahead and download this to a USB stick and plug it into your PlayStation 5. So if you are having some sort of fatal issue with your PlayStation 5, this is the last resort option to go ahead and try to resolve that issue. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If you did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.